Standard 8. Now let us read about the media and how it was evolved over the years. From Instagram stories to binging on a web series, it is our constant thirst for stories that all forms of media exploit to make us sit in front of screens for hours. Now you may be watching that how your mummy would like to sit in front of the TV to watch all her serials. Now to appreciate the importance of media, one must know its origin. From where did it come out? The history of media is essentially the history of storytelling itself. Over the centuries, the need to create various forms of media was born out of humanity's desire to share a story with as many people as possible. Cave art was mankind's first intellectual pursuit. For the first time in history, humans were able to leave something behind for future generations via the medium of the walls in a cave. While it gave rise to a collective memory for the cavemen of those times, it was also the precursor to media as we know it today. Precursor means something that happened much before. However, the creation of mass media had to wait for a very long time. In the meantime, the stories had to be oral or drawn on walls. It took thousands of years for mankind to put them on paper. Paper was invented in China in about 100 BC. Another 1500 years had to pass before Johannes Gutenberg built the first printing press. Gutenberg's printing press was the first mass media. For the first time in history, books could be mass produced. Although the ability to read these books was still limited to the elite of the society and for a very long time. So, the actual audience for the medium of books was still very limited in those days. That changed over the centuries, and so did the forms of media. I shall keep it till here. Now, this is just a history about how the media was slowly but surely was advancing. So, due to the latest scientific inventions and discoveries, now the social media has become a child's play. Thank you, and I will be sending the word meanings for you to learn.